Welcome back. All right, so we are doing Beacon, period 3 with Engen, which is me. And if you're watching this video, more than likely you're probably doing some work at home. And if you're doing that, awesome. You're just trying to stay on track. And to stay on track, you basically just want to go to English 12B, classwork, and bring yourself to week 6, because that's where we're at. We're on week 6. And so far this week, we're just trying to finish up any past work. So if you're still working on that informative research essay, please submit it as soon as possible, but just make sure that you get it done. That was something that we've been working on since the beginning of the trimester. And you just want to make sure that you submit it through Canvas. And you're just going to submit your work. And if you struggle for some reason on trying to write your essay, you definitely can use this example where I've broken it into the 5 paragraphs. And you're just picking a topic, breaking up that one topic into 3 specific subtopics, and you're just trying to write about it using this format. Also, at the end of your paper should be a works cited page. Make sure that you go to that link, and all you're going to do is put your news sources. Like I can put an article about Beyonce and hot sauce, because back when she'd released an album, everybody was so confused about the type of hot sauces that Beyonce was interested in. So what I would do is I'll just take this source and put it right into here. And I can just copy and paste this right into my works cited page, which should be the last page of your essay. You should have 6 of these, 6 sources. So everything that you need for something that we've been working on for a while is available at the bottom of the page of week 6. On top of that, you're wanting to do the journals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We have no school on Friday because it's asynchronous. So basically you're just working on any missing work or current work. And the work that we have this week is we're really trying to get ourselves to this Friday assignment. You can start it on Friday if you get to that spot, or maybe just finish this essay first. But basically we're going to be working through our week. So we're talking about news sources and media bias and how our information in the news can be misinformation rather than facts. So work through each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And again, Friday is an asynchronous day where we will not be at school. So you can either start working on this essay, you can finish this essay, or you can do any of the discussions. A lot of us are missing a lot of the discussions, and we do one almost every day for 2 points. So make sure that if you're missing any discussions that you pick that up. This is a pretty simple week. Again, if you have any questions, always send an email to me. I will always help, or Google chat. But again, you're just taking on week 6, doing the journal responses, watch the videos, check out the notes. And by Friday, you should be ready to start writing this essay, which is about why we should critically analyze our news. And you're going to explain 3 things. How can I tell if a piece of news is valid or truthful? So you write a whole paragraph about this. You'll write a whole paragraph on how we can tell whether a news is important or credible compared to other news sources. And then topic or subtopic 3 is you talking about what media bias is. What is media bias? How do you detect bias? And what are some of the consequences of not evaluating the news? And if you get to this Friday assignment and you're ready, just click this link and open up the Google Doc and start typing your 5-paragraph essay. And everything will be there for you, including an introduction paragraph. So if you want to just get that introduction paragraph taken care of, you can copy and paste this right into your essay and start writing. And again, you got paragraph 1 is your intro. Paragraph 2 is subtopic 1. Paragraph 3 is subtopic 2. Paragraph 4 is subtopic 3. And then you'll have a conclusion. This will be where we start during week 7 is this essay. So Try to see if you can understand what these notes are by watching these videos and doing the journals, and just making sure that you turned in that first essay so we're on top of everything. All right? Good luck. Have a good week.